What's up, guys? So I am up and active for London session as per usual. What I did just now was I'm currently just analyzing my pairs. I'm looking through GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and EURUSD. I did do a little looking at gold, but I don't know if I'm gonna get into it or keep watching it. I know after non-farm payroll last week went out, gold did drop, and the wait, what am I trying to say? Let me look real quick. My bad. Yeah, so gold did drop last week after NFP came out. So gold's gonna rise again, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be entering or if I'm gonna just continue to watch from the sidelines for that one. I haven't been in gold in a minute, to be completely honest. I haven't been in gold in a while. I think for like a month, maybe 2 months. Yeah, but anyway, so I currently I was analyzing GBPUSD. So on the daily, we're in this consolidated range. Like GBP USD is currently ranging right now between the 1.300 mark and the 1.3100 mark. To be exact, it's 1.31627. That's the level of resistance I have for GBPUSD. And you can see for GBPUSD, since that does have a USD in this pair, for non-farm payroll, this pair dropped on Friday. That was August 7th. It dropped. But last week you could see that it's still in this range, and I'm not sure if it's going to break out of this range to the lower or upper side this week. I mean, GBPUSD, realistically, it is bullish. GBPUSD is bullish. But if we zoom out here, every time GBPUSD seems to get in this range that I have marked up, I've noticed that it was rejected in the past. Well, I mean, looking at it also, you could see that when price did reject this resistance line and shoot down, it was during the COVID news. So that's why it completely rejected at that line in the past. But also there's this area from 2019. It was March in 2019. I don't remember what news went out around this time, or what would have caused it to shoot down in May quite a bit. But yeah, it's just every time price is in this range, it seemingly has a hard time breaking through this 1.3160-ish range. So I'm keeping an eye out for while it's playing in this range now. So back down to what we're getting into this week. This week, it has already, we're only barely into Monday, but it's creating a doji. Last week, there were quite a few dojis. And then we see Friday, it tapped this level of support. It tapped the level of support and then went back up. So my prediction for this week is that GBPUSD is going to continue into this buy up to the resistance level that we have marked here. So I have in trading view, I have my stop loss marked for the support level, and well, it should actually be a little below it, because sometimes price likes to do fake outs, sometimes it likes to wick you out a little. So it's actually to where this yellow line is, and my take profit for at our line of resistance. So this will more than likely be maybe a 2 or 3 day trade. I'm not looking for this to get hit right away. Yeah, that's it for GBPUSD. Then GBPJPY, it kind of looks the same. Like we're in a bullish market. It's currently ranging at the moment, but we're in a bullish market, so I'm fairly confident that it will continue up to at least this line of resistance that we have marked, which I have marked at 139.236. EURUSD is ranging as well on the 4 hour. Gold, I did have a pennant marked up, but to be honest, since it's against the trend, this pennant doesn't really matter, so I'm honestly about to just bloop bloop delete these. And yeah, that's it for what I'm going to include in this very brief weekly analysis for it's getting to be mid-August. That's crazy. This month is going by so fast already. But have a good trading week, guys. Bye.